In response to user requests, there's now a lab that lets you add a preview pane to your mailbox. So to set that up, you need to go to your labs by selecting the gear and choosing labs. Then search for a lab with the word preview in it. It's called preview pane. So here it is, and you'll go ahead and just enable this lab. Whenever you enable a lab, you have to select Save Changes. And when my mailbox loads again, I've got this new button here that I can use to toggle between the different views. So if I want to have a vertical split, I'll select vertical split, and this puts a split on the vertical. So if I were to select this conversation, I'm able to preview it here. This is a conversation made up of 2 messages, and I can view both messages here. When I select a new message, this was an unread message, I can preview this message. I still have all of the buttons here that I can apply to the message, as well as the contact details here, and the pull-down menu in the top right of each message. So if you like the vertical preview, you can do this. Or if you want to do a horizontal split, I'll select horizontal split. So when I select a conversation, the conversation appears below here. Now, if I need to move down through the conversation or scroll through it, I can use this scroll bar here on the right. And if I have a long list of messages in my inbox, I can use the scroll bar here to scroll through those messages. Again, when you select a new message, it appears unread for about 3 seconds, and then it will appear read here. You can go into your settings to change the number of seconds until it appears unread. So we'll go ahead and choose the gear, then I'll choose mail settings. And when I scroll through about a third of the way down my general settings, I see preview pane, and I can choose to mark a conversation as read immediately, after 1 second, or after 3 seconds, or never. I think 3 seconds is a pretty good amount. So I'll go back to my inbox here, and again, I do need to select a conversation to see it in the preview pane. If you want to turn off the preview, just select no split, and then you'll just see your mailbox how you normally see it. And if you don't want this option at all, you can go ahead and disable the preview pane lab. So this lab really helps with quickly moving through your messages.